Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Market Misfits. So today we're going to be covering some altcoins, and we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We just broke structure on the altcoin chart, and then also with the total market cap and with Bitcoin. So these are all, as you can see down here with Bitcoin on the 1 hour, we're up 0.34%. 24 hours, we're up 3.7%. 7 days up 0.9%. So we're all green on Bitcoin. We're going to be taking a look at XRP also, and then Dogecoin. We're still down on the week on XRP. We also have some fresh XRP news developments in the case, or more hurdles, I guess you should say, in the case. We're down on Dogecoin 0.05%. We're up 24 on the 24-hour, 2.39%. And then on the week, we're up slightly over 2% on Dogecoin. Excuse me. So with the fear and greed index, we're still neutral. So we have not crossed over any yet here. Let's take a look at this article real fast, and then we'll get back at the chart. So this is new on the Ripple case. So before SEC filed a motion for XRP to release their financial statements as to whether or not they continued to sell the institutions XRP after the lawsuit began. And Ripple had said that they were not going to do that, but read some stuff in this article here that I did not know about. So let's get on with this article. We're just going to go over the gist of it and then go look at the charts, because we saw on the chart some technical breaks of structure here, which looks like we could be getting ready to climb up out of the correction that we've been in. XRP news: Judge Torres grants Ripple motion to file Sur-Reply letter. So basically this is to giving them permission to change some key factors in their case that they have provided previously. So to make some adjustments. So the SEC versus Ripple case continues to draw interest with XRP strong headwinds before possible SEC appeal against the programmatic sales of ruling. XRP declined by 0.93% on Thursday, ending the session at 51 cents. SEC versus Ripple case related updates continue to impact buyer demand. On Friday, SEC versus Ripple and Coinbase case related news and U.S. lawmaker chatter need consideration. On Thursday, XRP declined by 0.93%, reversing a 0.06% loss from Wednesday. XRP ended the session at 51 cents. Significantly, XRP closed in negative territory for the 7th time in 9 sessions. On Wednesday, Ripple filed a motion for Sur-Reply relating to the SEC's motion to compel. And the motion to file a Sur-Reply, Ripple asked permission to correct a significant factual mischaracterization made by the SEC for the first time in its reply. So the SEC then doubles down on its misstatement, asserting Ripple recently cataloged, presumably produced in the ongoing class action suit, all of Ripple XRP sales contracts from 2020 to 2023 in June, including determining the identity of counterparties to those contracts. That is also false. Post-complainant contracts, government XRP institutional sales, financial statements for 2022 to 2023. So they're wanting to know the information, like, did they continue to do what they were not supposed to do? So as background, Ripple and the SEC are making their way through the remedies-related discovery. On July 13th, 2023, Judge Torres ruled that Ripple broke Section 5 of the 1933 Securities Act for failing to register XRP as a security for institutional sales. So I never saw this part right here. I wasn't aware of this, but they found them guilty of this. So this is why SEC is like, are y'all continuing to break the law? This is something I could see as being the catalyst to drop us to the single digits for XRP. Again, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Let's continue on here and we'll look at the chart. The motion to compel suggests that the SEC wants to ascertain whether Ripple continued to breach Section 5 of the 1933 Securities Act. Judge Torres could impose a punitive penalty. However, the SEC must demonstrate that Ripple continued to violate securities laws despite the complaint. The document would also reveal proceeds from post-complaint XRP sales to U.S. institutional investors, if any. Proceeds from XRP sales to institutional investors are a consideration for Judge Torres. So this is not good news for XRP. On the daily chart, we're going to go take a look at the technicals, but this is just going to go over what we are going to go over here. So let's get on with the charts. So first, let's look at Bitcoin. We were looking for this to complete. So we have a complete Adam and Eve right here, and we have a break of structure. So break of structure, we dropped this earlier in the group this morning. First thing we noticed. So we're looking for a retest, excuse me, back down here to this support. Down here at around 40,386 for Bitcoin. So we'll come back and see how well this structure, or how solid this structure is right here. We go here. I'm starting to see maybe this as a possibility, looking at the bigger picture. So if we come down from here to test here, that would give us our inverse head and shoulders right here. And the shoulders a little off. We had some consolidation here, but it's generally the same thing. So if we retest down here, we get double rejection. This is where, you know, longer term buyers might come in and we see a continuation up. So the short term buyers, they're cashing out right now. So we're going to see what this looks like if we come down here. Are we going to come down and sweep these lows? You know, what that is going to look like, we're just going to have to wait and see. But we had, so Dogecoin seemed to be setting up. And so we put, here's our setup right here. We saw it on Dogecoin. We had descending channel, break of structure, and we came into this inverse head and shoulders. Actually kind of suspected a deeper pullback right here. So we put a buy limit order, triggered buy limit order, hit first target. We dropped this in the group yesterday evening. So come on over to Market Misfitz, our private group on Facebook. We just broke over 100 members. So this is a new group that we have started for cryptocurrencies. We're giving signals in here, and to catch these earlier, just come on over and join us. So we're putting more up to date, you know, trade ideas, calm signals with all these things that we go over in the video. We have some altcoins that are looking like they're getting ready to, and also we're looking at XLM versus XRP. It looks like we could see XLM flip XRP, but here it is from yesterday. We covered the total market cap. We got break of structure on total market cap. The altcoin market is looking bullish. We had our break of structure that we were looking at on Bitcoin. And so here was our call from yesterday. And anyway, so we're dropping all news and market updates inside of this group, you know, to get the news faster, to get more news, more analysis. Come on over here and join us at Market Misfitz. There is a training course in here, and you can see we're doing analysis and dropping them in the file section, in-depth analysis and further knowledge for cryptocurrencies and investing and trading inside of the file section. So when you come over, make sure to check out the guide section for training, and then the file section, and to stay plugged in to what's happening, because we're going to be keeping everything up to date right here in the group as to where we are going to be entering if we decide to enter some of these altcoins that we're looking at. We're looking at Algo. We're looking at Solana, a potential breakout coming. We're looking at HBAR, potential breakout coming. Cardano, a potential breakout coming. So it's looking like altcoins may be getting ready to take off after we've seen this, and Dogecoin just seemed to head last night. So we made note of this in the group. For some reason, Doge just seemed to be ahead. So we went ahead and got into Doge. But anyways, you guys, to stay more up to date, just come over here and join us at Market Misfitz. And until then, we will see y'all on the next one.